Hey loves, it's your girl Chef Joya, and this was the moment I got my entire life. This recipe came out so delicious, and I'm super happy to share with y'all. This is not going to be a 60-second short. I made this about 2 minutes, okay? Because you need all these details. I'm using my girl Tabitha Brown's new plant-based sausage, and I used 2 of the mango basil and 1 of the mushroom, and you can use whatever it is that you like, but do it my way. It's the best way. I went ahead and took the vegan skin off of it, and then I sauteed it in the pan with a little bit of my red house seasoning. If you don't have that, you better go get you some because it is the best. I removed that from the pan, and next I melted some vegan butter. Then I added some carrots, onion, celery, bell peppers, garlic, some portobello mushrooms, and then I seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper and dried Italian seasoning. Next, I went in with my fire roasted crushed tomatoes and a can of tomato sauce. Then I put a cup of red vinegar. That is not vinegar, child, that is wine. A cup of red Cabernet wine, a little bit of vegan Worcestershire sauce, and I added a vegan beef bouillon along with some water. And then I went ahead and added in some dried Italian seasoning. Next, I added some cloves in. You can use dried cloves, but if you use the whole cloves, be sure to remove it from the pan. I allowed it to cook down for about 30 minutes before adding back in my vegan meat. And then I went ahead and added some fresh basil and some creamy oat milk. And you can use whatever you like, but oat milk will be the best. Next, I added in my store-bought pasta, and guys, a lot of the pasta on the shelves are already vegan because it is made with semolina wheat flour. Just make sure you read the ingredients. And then I topped it with some Parmesan, some microgreens, and baby, when I tell you, this made my mouth so happy, and I know you will enjoy this too. I'll make sure I list all the ingredients below and just do what I did in the video. And subscribe to my channel. Say what is vegan. Ciao.